Hello and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to change the rear brake pads on any type of car. Tools needed are listed in the description. For this purpose we will be using an Opel Astra K. 1.6 diesel. 2016. Use 13 and 17 wrenches to remove the two screws keeping the brake caliper in place. After removing the screws, leave the caliper hanging on the side without any tension on it. Remove the brake pads. When I removed the brake pads I noticed that my brake disc was missing a screw that kept it in place. I searched my inventory and was able to find something to replace it. I bought this brake pads online on eBay using my vehicle VIN number. Use ceramic paste for the side handles of the brake pads and silicone grease for the back. Make sure to keep the front side clean. Remove the clippers holding the pads in place and clean whatever you can, before installing the new brakes. Install the new clippers and then the brake pads. Put the correct pad on the inner side. The caliper will not fit in place directly. Before you put it on, please use a caliper tool to release it, or any other tool available. Rotate it on the clockwise direction while pushing inside as shown in this clip. Put the caliper in place and mount back the screws. I used some ceramic paste in the screws also before putting those back in. Put the tire back on and repeat this process for the other side.